Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to dive into a detailed review of SimplePractice, a tool that countless therapists, mental health professionals, and wellness practitioners rely on to simplify their practice management. In this video, we're going to cover what SimplePractice is all about, explore its best features, break down its pricing and plans, weigh the pros and cons, and even take a look at some of its top competitors. So, without further delay, let's get started. Alright, let's start by talking about what SimplePractice is and why so many health and wellness professionals love it. Basically, it's an all-in-one tool made to help solo practitioners and small to medium-sized practices. In today's busy world, keeping up with scheduling, billing, notes, and telehealth can feel like too much. SimplePractice makes it easy by putting everything in one place. You can handle appointments, client records, secure messages, and even insurance claims all from one simple platform. It's smooth, easy, and saves you time. What makes SimplePractice stand out is how it's built just for mental health practitioners, therapists, counselors, nutritionists, and other wellness professionals. It's made to keep your client data safe and private with HIPAA compliance baked right in. Plus, SimplePractice has telehealth tools built right in as well. These days, virtual sessions are a big part of how we work, so having a simple, reliable video platform included is a big help. Next up, let's discuss its core features. First off, the scheduling system is super easy to use. The calendar looks nice and is simple to navigate, so booking, rescheduling, or managing appointments only takes a few clicks. You can check your schedule by day, week, or month, and the drag and drop feature makes moving things around really quick. Another great feature is the built-in telehealth system. These days, offering safe and easy virtual care is super important. With SimplePractice, you could do video sessions right in the platform without needing to switch between apps. This makes things so much easier and keeps everything in one place. All client interactions are securely stored together. Plus, SimplePractice makes billing and invoicing super easy. Payments and insurance claims can be a hassle, but this platform takes care of it for you. It automates billing tasks and lets you handle everything from invoices to payments to insurance claims right on the dashboard. Along with the scheduling and billing, this platform makes documentation and note-taking super easy. Keeping detailed, up-to-date client records is a must for good care and staying compliant. With SimplePractice, you can store session notes, treatment plans, and other important documents all in one secure spot. Plus, the client portal lets clients fill out intake forms, check their records, and even complete assessments online before their appointment. Customization is another feature that stands out. SimplePractice lets you personalize everything from intake forms to billing statements with your logo and branding. You could even create custom note templates to suit your practice's unique needs. Additionally, the mobile app makes it super easy to manage your practice anywhere. You could check your schedule between sessions or update client info after a telehealth call. Another great thing about SimplePractice is how it makes communication easy. You could send messages to your clients securely without worrying about privacy. It lets you share appointment reminders, follow-up messages, or even important documents all in one place. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's move on to pricing and plans. First off, the starter plan costs $29 a month and covers all the basics. You get features like simple diagnostic and treatment plans, progress notes, and tools to track how patients are doing over time. Plus, there's a mobile app for updating your schedule and patient info anywhere, anytime. Second, the Essential plan costs $69 per month and gives you more features than the starter plan. It lets you create treatment plans that you can customize, send appointment reminders, and gives you advanced reports and analytics. Plus, you can add the Wiley treatment planner if you need it, and you get 10 free insurance claims each month. Third, there's the Plus plan, which costs $99 per month. It includes everything in the Essential plan, but it adds some extra features. You get advanced calendar tools, better reporting options, and the ability to schedule group appointments, like group telehealth sessions. Plus, it increases free insurance claims to $35 per month and lets you add unlimited clinicians. So, it's a great option for bigger practices that need more features and access for multiple users. Alright, next up, let's go over the pros and cons of using SimplePractice. No software is perfect, and understanding both both the strengths and weaknesses of any tool is crucial before making a decision. One of the big strengths of SimplePractice is its easy-to-use design. The clean and simple layout makes it easy to handle tasks like scheduling, billing, telehealth, and documentation. Even if someone isn't great with technology, SimplePractice is built to be straightforward and accessible, which is a huge advantage. Another advantage of this platform is its built-in telehealth feature. Everything is on one system, so there's no need to deal with compatibility issues between video tools and your practice software. The billing and invoicing system is another big strength. Managing payments, creating invoices, and dealing with insurance claims can take a lot of time and pull your focus away from clients. SimplePractice takes care of most of this for you with automation, so you can spend more time on what matters. Plus, tracking financial data in real time gives you helpful insights to make better business decisions. Another great advantage is the secure client portal. Clients can fill out intake forms, complete assessments online, and communicate safely with you all in one place. Since privacy is so important, using an HIPAA compliant platform that protects client information is a huge pro. Now let's talk about some of the weak points. One common downside is the price. SimplePractice has great features that work really well, but the monthly subscription fee can feel a bit expensive. Another con is the amount of time needed to explore the features. The interface is easy to use, but there are so many options that it can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're switching from a simpler system or from doing things manually. There is also some limitation when it comes to customization. While you can adjust a lot of things, certain features may not be flexible enough for very specific needs. For example, if your practice has unique requirements, you might need to change your workflow to fit the software instead of the other way around. It's not a deal breaker for most people, but it's good to know if you need high-level customization. Lastly, while the telehealth and billing systems are usually great, there can be occasional glitches. Sometimes issues pop up with syncing between modules, especially after software updates. Finally, let's talk about some top competitors to SimplePractice. While SimplePractice is a great tool, it's worth checking out other options to find the best fit for your practice. First, there's Therapy Notes. It's another popular choice for mental health professionals and offers features like scheduling, documentation, and billing. Therapy Notes stands out for its detailed clinical notes and strong customer support. However, some people feel its interface looks a bit outdated compared to SimplePractice's modern design. Next is Theranest. This platform is designed for mental health and behavioral health practices. It's affordable and has helpful tools like scheduling, billing, and client management. Plus, its strong reporting features make it great for tracking data. That said, its interface isn't as user-friendly as SimplePractice, which could be a drawback if simplicity is a priority. Counsole.com is another big competitor of SimplePractice. It focuses on flexibility and customization, offering features like secure client portals, telehealth, and billing tools. BetterHelp is another well-known competitor of SimplePractice. It's a popular telehealth platform that connects therapists and clients worldwide. While BetterHelp doesn't have as many features as SimplePractice, it's a good option for those who prefer a simpler and more streamlined experience. Lastly, there's Caria. It's great if you need advanced billing and insurance tools for your healthcare practice, but here's the thing, it's really designed for bigger medical practices. The smaller therapy practices, it might feel like too much, and it's also more expensive than SimplePractice. Alright, that's it for this SimplePractice review. I hope you found it helpful to decide if SimplePractice is the right choice for your business. Remember, every company has different needs, so it's important to do your research and consider all the features and options before making a decision. If you have any questions or comments, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more like this. Thanks for watching.